Hey everyone, welcome back to AI for Developers. Today we are stepping into something every developer dreams of, an AI-powered code review agent. Imagine this, you push a pull request, an AI agent immediately reads your code. It highlights bugs, style issues, security flaws, and suggests improvements, all in real time. In this session, I will walk you through a Python example step by step using a large language model to automatically analyze code changes and generate review comments. We will cover how to connect an LLM to your GitHub or local repo, how to structure prompts for useful safe code reviews, how to post comments automatically on pull requests, and best practice to make your AI reviewer trustworthy, not annoying. By the end, you will have a working Python script, your own code review agent, ready to integrate in your team's workflow. Let's deep dive with the code. You can check out this code from GitHub from Code with AI repository. This is the CR agent, and you can see here is that this CR agent is primarily going to take some of the input parameters. So you need to set up your GitHub account, and then from there you can generate the GitHub token, personal access token. You need to set up some permissions on your token to give the access to the repository, and you have to define the repo owner, repo name, and put the pull request number here. These are some of the URLs, and then this is the credential path for the Google file. And then you will see here the headers are defined. And then we are going to make a get call to the pull request, and we are going to fetch all the content of the pull request and the code difference from the PR. Then we are going to take the diff response text and going to prepare a prompt statement. The prompt statement could be in more detail. Here we have given like some simple prompt where we are planning AI to do the code review for identifying the issues, giving some suggestions, and ensuring the code quality. And with this particular prompt and the code message, we will be going to make an LLM call to the Vertex AI. Here we are using the Gemini 1.5/002 model, and we are setting up the project ID and the location. To make the LLM call, you can use any other LLM also, and any of the model from OpenAI. Then LLM is going to give us the reviewed comments, which we are simply going to take and going to post back those comments using the post API of the GitHub. So by this way, you will see that you can build a code review agent by simply pulling the contents from the GitHub and posting them to the LLM with your own prompt, and LLM will give you all the feedback and suggestions which you can go back and post as a comments. So by this way, the complete code review agent can be designed and developed. Now I will show you how to run this particular code agent to post the review comments on one of the pull requests. Now you can see we have one of the pull requests where we have simply created an example code for predicting the buyers in Python. And right now there is no code. We have just the pull request here. Now we are going to run this code in the Visual Studio Code. Now we have opened the same code in the Visual Studio Code, and now I'm going to run this. So you can see here that now we are making a LLM call and the review comment posted successfully. Now we'll go and see the review comments. Let's see how the comments are posted on the pull request. So we can see here that the CR agent has posted the comments here that we have a hard-coded data in our code. We have unclear comments. We have inconsistent style, missing doc strings. So with this way, you can see that you can build a code review agent for any of your code repository and post automatically the comments on the pull request. And you can make AI to work for you for doing the code reviews. If you like this example, please like and subscribe my channel. I would like to bring all the learnings I have with the AI to all of you to make sure that it reaches to maximum number of the developers. And please add the comments to the video for the topic for which you would like to make the video. Thank you very much for watching.